welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Here we go. We're drinking our boxed wine. I'm still on the boxed wine kick, but no one has yet to comment on some nice boxed wines for me to try. Today we're drinking a Barefoot Moscato boxed wine. Here we go. So for this fix, I don't remember what I asked for, but Deanna's got my back. Deanna comments on my videos. She watches. Hi, Deanna. If you look at my last Stitch Fix video, she commented on there, so check her out. Anyway, we have the bundles, and there's two bundles, as you saw from the picture that you clicked on for this video. And I can't lift them. Ugh. So we got some purple, we got some black, we got some jeans, we got some light purple and some gray. It's gonna be a great fix because I peeked and I know. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. I actually have like a little desk thing now. It's not really a desk, it's a basket, but I painted it. I'm gonna lift it up and show you because why not? I spray painted it. Look how beautiful. It's rose gold. It used to be this color. But I was like, no, I want this like rose gold bronze metallic in my life. So I was thinking I'd put it in the living room to like hold our blankets and stuff, but my husband hated it. So I'm like, well, it's gonna go in my filming room then as my little desk. So now we finally have a desk for things and stuff. Stitch Fix, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'm gonna leave a description down below and you can look at that. It's a styling service, they send you 5 items. If you wanna try Stitch Fix and you haven't tried it before, and if you wanna use my referral link, no pressure, you can, and it'll give you $25 towards your first fix. So if you wanna check it out, if you've been wanting to, I highly recommend it. I've tried Stitch Fix, Wantable, Fashom. I've done one Nadine West bag, and Stitch Fix is just the queen of them all. So let's read our note. Every fix you get a stylus note. Hello again, Rachel. How is your week going? My week is going okay. I worked 6 days this week, and yesterday was rough. Yesterday was a rough day, but it's going better. I love the new cloche. Is that what it's called? If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, it's eyebrow06, and I got this cloche apparently. It's a glass top and then it has a wood bottom, and it's like I've been putting desserts and things in it and like donuts and cookies and stuff. She says, I love your new cloche you posted on your Insta. I have an all glass one, but I love your wood base. It's technically like when I bought it at Home Goods, it said it was for cheese. So, but I'm like, who puts cheese under glass? You put like tasty cookies and things. But anyway, I recently saw all these cute ideas on Pinterest about putting decor inside. That's a good idea for display that I'm going to have to try out. I'm so glad you love your last fix. I really love that little chocolate covered strawberry sweater. That's what it reminded me of, and I couldn't think of it. Someone commented last time and said it looked like Santa hats. But no, they're hearts. But you know, if I wear it at Christmas, maybe I could get away with it. I really love that little chocolate covered strawberry sweater for V-Day. Jumping into this fix, I found a few things I'm just loving this month, including some of your favorites. First, I hope this jumpsuit by Jilly is a good fit because I just thought it would be so cozy and easy to wear around the house and with a denim jacket. I know you're also looking for sweaters, so I chose this cute button back option by Faith and Zoe. I had been looking at that one on the Shop Your Looks. And I finally found this pair of cute Vegas distressed jeans. Open some boxed wine and enjoy. XO Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. I hope you're watching. I hope your week's going good. And yeah, I'm super excited. So let's just do it. We're gonna go into the smaller one first because that's what's on top. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. All right, I've been listening to Disney music all day. How about you guys? And no, I don't have kids, so I mean, I just listen to Disney music. All right, here's this pretty lilac-y spring color. It is February. It's still February as I'm filming this. I don't know when this will go up. I think it'll still be February when it goes up. Doesn't this just remind you of spring? It's purple and it has a slight tie-dye. And then it has a tie in the front. And this is the Kaylee Jada Side tie knit top in light purple. And it's very soft. Is it soft inside? It's pretty soft inside. See the softer side of Stitch Fix. Anyway, so that's the first one. And I'm gonna put it on my basket, so I don't have to put it in my lap anymore. And then next, I was so excited about this one because I've seen it a lot, and I'm like, I haven't bought that many things from the Shop Your Looks, but just this week I bought 3 things, so but I've seen this on there, and I've hesitated buying it every time. And I think it's because it has a hood, and I don't wear a lot of things with hoods, but I could make an exception. So it's got the cheetah print on top, and then the light gray, and then the black. And this is exclusive. It's an exclusive. Pink Clover, Amina hooded brushed knit top in black. So, yeah. Next bundle. We have, this is the one I was eyeing on the Shop Your Looks, and this is the Faith and Zoe Devara button back pullover in dark purple. Now it looks like she did size up on this one for maybe more of a relaxed fit, because the buttons are not real in the back, so I don't really need probably a size up, but we'll take a look. You know, sometimes it's nice to be a little bit flowy, but it's that dark purple. It has these buttons down the back, and then kind of like that shirt tail hem on the bottom. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Yeah, and it's got the nice, just kind of, I don't know if it's a long sleeve or a 3/4 sleeve. Did it say? It didn't say, so we'll find out. But depending on how this fits, I might size down to an extra large, so we'll see. And here's the jumpsuit. Now it is a tank top jumpsuit, so you know it's February, so we'll see. And she sized up on this one too, which it does look a little bit wide through the chest, but you know, I do have a wide chest. But it has the drawstring right there, the elastic, and then the bottom has kind of like that cuffed joggery bottom. Has a little pocket. Oh, focus, focus, focus. It went out of focus. So we'll try that too. Again, it's you sized up. Some things I like to size up, but maybe send the extra large, and then if I need to size up, then I can always try to do that instead. But we'll see how it fits. Maybe it'll fit great. And then lastly, we have, ooh, they feel so nice. We have the Vegas jeans. Did I read what that was? I don't remember. I'm gonna do it again. I didn't. Geely Tony Drawstring knit jumpsuit in black. And these are the Vegas Erica skinny jean in indigo. Yas queen in size 16W. So these are dark wash. My other Vegas ones are more of a mid wash, I would say. So I like these. They have a little bit of distressing going on. Not too much. My other ones have more like actual holes in the knees kind of. So that's nice that these are just like a little bit distressed. And then not much distressing in the back or anything. I don't see really any. So, yay! Yay! They got washed out from the light. It's very bright here because it snowed a lot this week. It snowed a lot. Yeah. But anyway, okay, let's get on to the try on. I'm gonna call this first outfit the too big outfit. So the purple is really pretty. I like the purple a lot, but I think it's just too big. This is that one you size up to 1X. Here's the back. And the buttons are really cute. You can see the buttons. Little shirt tail hem there. So it's really cute. And then the jeans, which my other Vegas jeans are 16W, these are way too big. And I don't get it. Look at all this room. That's my phone ringing. Anyway, the jeans are very baggy. Look at, I mean, it's good that they have stretch, but look at all this room. And these are supposed to be like skinny jeans, so strange. It's just very strange. My other Vegas jeans do not fit like this at all, and they're the same size. So it just goes to show you, like, even within the same brand, how jacked up women's sizing is. You know what I mean? Like, that's just messed up. So I think it's gonna be a no to this and a no to this. I like this one, but I don't think I like it enough to size down, you know? So, all right, let's try it on the next ones. Here's the light purple Easter tie-dye. It's really cute. And like the tie kind of just reminds me of like some little bunny ears, you know? Like, I've been watching Schitt's Creek a lot and Alexis talks like this, so sorry. Sometimes I go like, anyway. So they remind me of some bunny ears, especially in this like lilac color. I think is so pretty. Like the little, you know, slight tie-dye-ish. I like it. I like it. I don't know if I love it, but I like it. I love the color. I do really love the color. What do you guys think? I don't know. Be nice. I think it's cute. I don't know if I love it. We'll try on the next two things. But I really like the color a lot. But I don't know if I like how it drapes and everything. So we'll see. But it's really, really soft and it's really, really pretty color. And I can't talk. And let's do the next ones. I didn't even notice before that it had this too for your hands, which a pocket, who doesn't love a pocket? So this is really cute. I think this is the winner so far. It's really cute. And I don't mind where the striping hits me. I know sometimes it's weird, like when it's a color block, but I don't mind where it hits me. And I do kind of wish it were a cowl neck instead of a hood. But I don't mind the hood. I've been watching Once Upon a Time, which I know is like a 10-year-old show, but I never made it through. And I keep thinking I'm Snow White now. With my dark hair and everything. I'm either the Snow White or the Evil Queen, depending on the day of my mood. But putting this hood on is like, reminded me of Snow White because she's like always in hiding. Anyway, my hair's all static now. But I like, it's so staticky. My house is so static. Winter sucks. So yeah, here's the back. I think it's a nice fit. Let's drink some wine. Don't worry, I never get the wine on the clothes. Never ever. So I think this is a winner so far. I like this one. Obviously it's more of a casual piece. I wouldn't wear it to work because of the hood. I think if it had the cowl neck instead, I could take these out and maybe wear it. But this one's cute. I like this one. All right, let's try on the jumpsuit. So here's my dilemma. I love the fit of the bottom half. It's nice and flowy. I like that. It has pockets, but the top is too big, which I thought. Now, I could always get it tailored to like get it taken in like that. You know, they would just have to do up there. And I think that would be okay. Because the back is cute. It's like a nice scoop. The pocket's in a good place for once. You know, I never understand boob pockets. So I think if it were taken in, you just have to really cut right there and then just sew it. Like, honestly, I would like it. That was a really long sigh and a pause. I'm sorry. I'm thinking. Because I really like how the bottom fits. Let me show you. But see how this just like, it's too big. But the bottom is nice and flowy, has a drawstring, which actually, you know, works. There's elastic, and it's really cute otherwise. And I'm afraid if I go to extra large, I won't have as much room down here. Because I can see wearing this, like she said, like in the summertime, just go to the store, out and about. Let me throw on crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Let me throw on a cardigan with it. Hang on. Let's see. My ring got caught on my sleeve. I think it's kind of cute with a cardigan with it. Let's go down. Like, that's kind of cute. I would put a jean jacket on with it, Deanna, but I don't know where it is. It's It's in with my coats somewhere. I don't know where they are. Remodel is going great. Is this a feather? I have chickens. So I'm torn on this one. I think I might just have to hold out because I like it, but do I want to take the time to do this? To do it myself and like mess it up, or pay someone to do it? Because even then I still have those little gaps right there. Yeah, so I think the winner this time is the animal print one. So let's go over prices. Okay, prices. Also, Deanna, so I like, if you can see, I don't know if it shows in your database, but the sweater that it has paired with the Vegas jeans, I don't know if you can see that. That one right there is really cute. Let's wait for the light to come back. Hey! It's really cute, so if you see that, maybe send it my way unless it's super expensive, and maybe that's why I didn't get it. So, let me find the price sheet here. Okay, prices. The Vegas Erica Skinny Jeans, $68. Now on my last Wantable box, they sent me some Vegas jeans and they were $84, and I was like, no, you guys, they're always $68 from Stitch Fix. So like, anyway, $68. I might see if that comes in a smaller size. They were just so stretchy, which is so weird. It was like so baggy. The G Lee Tony Drawstring Knit Jumpsuit, $54. So I don't think I'm gonna be keeping that, even though I really like the idea of it, because I would just like to like throw that on in the spring and summer and just go. The Pink Clover Amina Hooded Brushed Knit Top, which is the, which one was that? Was that the animal print? Brush knit, let's see, maybe, no, I don't think it was. I think it was the purple. No. No, it was the animal print, sorry. So the Pink Clover Amina, duh, because it says hooded. There's Dolly. The Hooded Brush Knit, $44. So I think I'm gonna keep that one. The Faith and Zoe Devara Button Back Pullover in dark purple, $58. And the Kaylee Jada Side Tie Knit Top in light purple, $40. It was a great fix, Deanna. Like, everything was just a little bit slightly off. There's Dolly barking. She won't come upstairs, so you'll probably never see her again in these videos unless I do a vlog or something. She won't come upstairs. So this subtotal $264. If I bought everything, it takes $66 off, making it $198 for the box. Not a bad box at all. Everything had, I dropped the list. Everything had potential. So thanks, Deanna. I really liked trying everything on. There's Dolly. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to try Stitch Fix, like I said, my referral link's down below as well, as is like my Fashom referral, Wantable, Poshmark, Adore Me, which is the bra service I use at subscription. So yeah, if you want to check those things out, there's links down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.